Knowing the trends for fall 2026 is easy. The real challenge? Wearing them without making your outfit look dated. Because the wrong fit, fabric, or styling can instantly turn a beautiful trend into something that feels stuck in the past. So today, we're breaking down 10 of the most exciting fall trends, and more importantly, what not to wear, what to wear instead, and how to make each one look effortlessly elegant, modern, and flattering after 40. Heritage Knitwear, retro or refined. Heritage Knitwear is having a major moment this fall, but there's a fine line between looking timeless and looking like you stepped out of another decade. Don't choose a very fitted sweater covered in traditional patterns, especially with bright, high-contrast colors. When the knit hugs the body and the pattern is loud, the whole look can feel more nostalgic than intentional. Do embrace the natural ease of Heritage Knitwear. Look for relaxed shapes and earthy tones, navy, cream, or muted red. Then introduce something cleaner and more contemporary. Try a Fair Isle-inspired sweater with tailored trousers, straight-leg denim, or even a sleek leather skirt. The contrast is what makes the tradition feel fresh. Funnel neck jacket, sporty or sophisticated? The funnel neck jacket is one of the most interesting outerwear updates this fall, but styling it the wrong way can make the look feel more sporty than sophisticated. Don't choose a short, overly fitted jacket with a bulky zipper, shiny hardware, or obvious utility details. It can quickly resemble outdated activewear rather than polished fashion. Do look for a more architectural silhouette, a slightly longer boxy or cocoon shape, a beautifully structured funnel neck, and clean closures that almost disappear into the design. Pair it with wide-leg trousers, straight jeans, or a refined midi skirt. The secret is balance. The strong neckline creates the statement, while the rest of the outfit stays sleek and understated. That's what turns a practical jacket into modern luxury. Velvet and corduroy, fussy or luxurious? Velvet and corduroy are back with the kind of rich texture that instantly makes a fall outfit feel more expensive. But don't pile on too much texture at once. Avoid flimsy velvet, overly soft fabrics, excessive gathering, ruffles, or complicated layering that makes the outfit look heavy and dated. Do let one beautifully structured piece take center stage. Choose velvet with depth or corduroy with a substantial wail, then keep the silhouette clean and uncomplicated. A deep navy velvet blazer over a crisp cream shirt and straight-leg jeans is a perfect example. The texture adds richness, while the simple pieces keep the overall look effortless. The goal isn't to make velvet look dramatic, it's to make it look quietly luxurious. Sleek shoes, chunky or chic? This fall, footwear is moving toward a cleaner, more refined silhouette, and it can completely transform the way an outfit feels. Don't automatically reach for chunky lug soles, oversized hardware, or extremely rounded toes just because they feel substantial and comfortable. With tailored clothing, those heavy details can overwhelm the proportions and make an otherwise polished look feel dated. Do you choose shoes with a slimmer profile, a graceful toe shape, and minimal detailing? Think elegant loafers, streamlined ankle boots, or refined flats with a lighter sole. They don't need to be delicate, just visually clean. Pair them with straight-leg jeans, tailored trousers, or a midi skirt, and suddenly the entire outfit looks longer, sharper, and more intentional. Sometimes, the most powerful style upgrade is simply taking away the bulk. Brooches, decorative or elevated? Brooches are making a surprisingly chic comeback this fall, but wearing one simply because it is trending can make the accessory feel disconnected from the outfit. Pin a tiny brooch randomly onto your sweater or blazer and expect it to create instant elegance. When there's no relationship between the accessory and the silhouette, it can look more decorative than stylish. Do make the brooch part of the styling itself. Place a sculptural piece at the lapel of a blazer, cluster 2 or 3 different brooches on a coat, or use one to subtly gather a sweater and change its shape. Vintage-inspired jewelry can look especially fresh against modern tailoring. The secret is intention. Don't simply add a brooch to your outfit. Use it to give the outfit a point of view. Chartreuse, loud or luxurious? Chartreuse is one of those colors that can make a fall wardrobe feel instantly fresh, but it becomes difficult to wear when you treat it like a color competition. Don't pair chartreuse with several other bright shades or wear it head to toe. The result can overwhelm your features and make the outfit feel more playful than polished. Do let this unusual green have one carefully chosen moment. A chartreuse sweater, handbag, or pair of shoes can look remarkably sophisticated when grounded by chocolate brown, deep navy, charcoal, olive, or burgundy. For an especially elegant effect, keep the rest of the outfit quiet and let the color do the talking. The trick isn't avoiding bold color after 40, it's giving bold color enough space to look intentional. Winter florals, summery or sophisticated. Winter florals bring a romantic touch to fall dressing, but the wrong styling can make a beautiful floral dress look like summer arrived a few months too early. Don't choose pale backgrounds, sugary pastel blooms, lightweight fabrics, or delicate sandals that make the print feel bright and seasonal. Do look for darker backgrounds with richer, more muted flowers. Think burgundy, plum, rust, deep green, or navy. Then anchor the print with substantial fall pieces. A camel coat, tailored blazer, fine knit cardigan, or sleek knee-high boots. The contrast gives the floral pattern more depth and sophistication. And that's the real secret. You don't have to abandon feminine prints when temperatures drop. Simply make the flowers moodier, the layers stronger, and the overall silhouette more polished. Quiet checks, dated or modern. Checks are one of fall's most timeless patterns, but wearing too much of a good thing can quickly make an outfit feel more traditional than modern. Don't combine a checked blazer with a plaid skirt, riding boots, and several other heritage-inspired details. When every piece tells the same story, the look can start to resemble a costume rather than personal style. Do you choose a quieter check with a low-contrast pattern and a small or medium scale? Then break up the heritage feel with clean, contemporary basics. A cream knit, straight-leg jeans, sleek loafers, or a structured bag. The pattern should add character, not dominate the outfit. This simple shift makes checks feel polished and current, proving that classic doesn't have to mean predictable. Red, too much or just right? Red has a powerful presence this fall, but the most sophisticated way to wear it isn't necessarily to wear more of it. Don't scatter bright red across your sweater, handbag, shoes, jewelry, and lipstick all at once. Instead of looking intentional, the outfit can feel like it is trying too hard to announce the trend. Choose one unmistakable red statement and let everything around it stay calm. A rich red knit with neutral trousers, a deep red handbag against a camel coat, or elegant red shoes with an all-black outfit can be incredibly chic. And if vivid scarlet feels too harsh, explore carmine, brick, oxblood, or burgundy. The secret is restraint. One beautiful flash of red can have far more impact than 5 competing accents. Fitted tight or beautifully defined. Fitted clothing can be incredibly flattering after 40, but there's a big difference between defining your shape and squeezing everything into a tight silhouette. Don't wear fitted pieces from head to toe, especially when every seam pulls tightly against the body. It can make an outfit feel restrictive rather than elegant. Do choose one area to define, your waist, shoulders, wrists, or ankles, and let the rest of the silhouette breathe. Try a fitted ribbed knit with wide-leg trousers and a slim belt, or a structured blazer with relaxed trousers. This creates balance without hiding your shape or forcing it into a trend. And remember, modern elegance isn't about wearing less or more. It's about knowing exactly where to create definition. Trends come and go, but great style is about how you wear them. The real skill is knowing how to edit them. After 40, you don't need to chase fashion. You need to make it yours. Which of these trends would you actually wear this fall? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more elegant style inspiration.